If you have any sleeping disorders and you want to record the sleep data and track your sleep quality on your Galaxy Watch Ultra, we're going to show you how you can turn on sleep tracking, how to use it at night, and where you can view all your sleep monitoring data and history on Samsung Health. For that, whatever device you're using, Samsung or non-Samsung, make sure that you have the Samsung Health app. To activate sleep tracking, open Samsung Health app. When you're at the home dashboard, scroll down, look for sleep settings and enter it. First tap on this three dot, and from here, set your sleep target. Set a comfortable sleep target by sliding this bedtime and wake up period. After that, go back one step. Again, from this three dot, go to advanced measurement, turn on blood oxygen, snore detection is automatically turned on, and then turn on skin temperature monitoring. Also, you can enter snore detection, and here detect how often you want to monitor your snore. You can also record audio. Now go back to the sleep settings. If you tap on this bar chart or graph icon, here you can find all the history of all your sleep data, from 7 days to 31 days to 12 months or 1 year. You can also check out your sleep time, snoring, and overall sleep score. Your sleep monitoring setup is complete. Now lastly, if you change your watch face into a one that supports and compatible with the sleep data, it'll be easier for you to notice the up and down on your sleep data. But please remember, to start creating a sleep history, you need at least 7 nights of sleep data. To start recording your sleep data, all you have to do is gently but firmly wear your watch during your sleep target time, and that's all. And this is how basically you set up and use the sleep monitoring system on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.